just cleared Karnataka PG Set 2025. Congratulations. But wait, now comes the most crucial step, counseling. This is where your actual college admission will be decided. So in this video, I'll walk you through the complete Karnataka PG Set counseling process, step by step, simple and clear. So what is PG Set counseling? Karnataka PG Set counseling is organized by KEA, Karnataka Examination Authority, for PG courses like MBA, MCA and MTech. This process ensures you get a seat in college based on your rank preferences and availability. The counseling usually begins in August and continues till October. So step number 1, online document verification. Earlier document verification was done at help centers, but now it's fully online. You need to upload scanned copies of your important documents. Only after successful verification, you can move to option entry. So here are the key documents that are required. PG Set application form and hall ticket. SSLC's या /10th and 12th mark sheet, graduation mark sheets and degree certificate, Aadhaar card, caste certificate if applicable, work or study certificates if needed, passport size photo and ID proof. One pro tip: make sure the scanned copies are clear and match the official format. Now comes the step 2, option entry, your college preference. Now this part really matters. Once your documents are verified, you will get access to the option entry portal where you choose your preferred colleges and courses. Important points to remember: you can select multiple options, no limit. Choose wisely based on your rank and realistic chances. Submit your final options before the deadline. These will be locked or frozen and used for seat allotment. Take a printout of your choices for your records. So here comes the step 3. Next, KE releases a mock allotment result. This helps you understand what kind of seat you may get based on your current choices. After this, you can go back and edit your preferences if needed. Step number 4, final seat allotment and fee payment. KEA then releases a final seat allotment result. Happy with the seat? Download the challan, pay the admission fee through designated banks and wait for 1 hour to download your official admission order. Step number 5 is report to the college. Once the payment is done and admission order is downloaded, visit your allotted college with original documents, the admission order and the payment receipt. You also need to log into the KEA portal and confirm that you have reported to the college. So here are final tips. Use a desktop browser like Chrome for option A. Fill all choices at once. There is no going back later. Keep checking the KEA website for updates on timelines. Save all receipts, screenshots and forms for your safety. So this entire process may feel a bit technical, but once you understand the flow, it's smooth and systematic. Just stay updated, keep your documents ready, and make informed choices. For more such helpful guides, subscribe to Shiksha and feel free to drop your question in the comments. We are here to help. All the best for Karnataka PG Set Counseling. Go get the seat you worked so hard for.